Meet Juan, a dedicated developer at a retail company. His mission? To create an AI chatbot app that provides interactive support, helping employees check stock and inventories in real time. But there's a challenge. With warehouses like theirs, the need for a simple, secure, and cost-effective solution is important. Juan knows the solution lies in running AI workloads directly on the device. Yet, the journey is tedious, taking months. Without Dell Pro AI Studio, Juan is bogged down by a labyrinth of software and silicon compatibility issues. And then there's Alex. He's tasked with deploying the AI app across the company fleet, manually provisioning, endless performance tracking. It's a headache. Traditional complexities, they still persist. Plus, Alex needs to keep an eye on model updates, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Enter Dell Pro AI Studio, the game changer. Step 1. Juan effortlessly discovers Dell's validated models. It's all in one place. Step 2. Building is a breeze. With Dell's pre-converted models for AI PCs. No matter the chipset, Juan focuses on innovation, not integration. Step 3. Deployment is swift and smooth. Policies and updates handled easily without starting from scratch. A process that usually takes 6 months now just took 6 weeks. Juan's vision becomes a reality. Dell Pro AI Studio simplifies the development and deployment of on-device AI workloads, making them real and manageable. With Dell Pro AI Studio, you get a powerful, enterprise-ready toolkit that's ready for business. It helps you see results faster and have better ROI on AI investments. Dell leads the market in AI PCs, and with Dell Pro AI Studio, we're set to go even further. Bring AI to your PCs with Dell Pro AI Studio today.